Baby YoYo. Oh, look at that!
Clean up, we all had fun. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's sort out all the trash. Sorting out trash is good for the earth. Clean up, we all had fun. Clean up all the trash. I've got a can, oh where does it go? It's made of metal, where does it go? The metal goes in the metal bin. Let's sort out all the trash. And I've got a bottle, where does it go? The plastic goes in the plastic bin. I've got a box, oh where does it go? It's made of cardboard, where does it go? The cardboard goes in the cardboard bin. Let's sort out all the trash.
I've got a jar, oh where does it go? It's made of glass, so it goes in the glass bin.
Oh wait, Dad! No, it has a metal lid, so it should go into the metal bin. Guys!